Tyler, I'm gonna tase you with this taser katana unless you can slice that Oreo in 45 seconds. Go.
Hey Google, turn on the light.
I'm gonna get tased, bro! Google, please help me!
What is the perfect sword for slicing this Oreo? It's gotta be precise and accurate. I'm gonna do the Tanjiro.
Ooh, can't do Tanjiro. There's only one sword you can use today, and that is Zenitsu's sword because it is his birthday, and all of his swords are 20% off.
Okay, I'm using this.
And I'm using this sword because you only got 20% time left before I tase you. Oh no! Oh no! Audio. You better hurry! I'm on sheet 3, 2, 1, go!